YouTube, what's up? This is Kev, Mr. Go Get It. Check it out, man. I'm a huge airplane guy. Like, I love aviation. I go to air shows, and I fly all over the world all the time. But check it out. This one time, I got a chance to walk through a Boeing 777, right? While it was empty, and it was amazing. So watch the video. Here it goes. Stay till the end, because I have some cockpit views for you also.